Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up voice control in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 in your PC or in your laptop and you want to set up voice control, or if you want to control your PC using your voice, not a mouse or a keyboard, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, just go to settings, and in settings you just have to look for accessibilities. The very first thing I recommend, you have to go to Windows Update, and here just try to check for the latest updates on a stable and strongest network connection. Once you have done your system as up to date, you just have to go to accessibility here and just look for the option of speech. Select speech from here, and here you'll get the voice access option. You just have to enable this, and once you have enabled, the very first time you just have to click on continue. The very first time it might download the language, and once you have done, just click on this again continue option and just wait for the loading. You can see that it is downloading the language. If you don't want to use this language, you can cancel this, select the language you're on. Let's say I'm going to select this one, and then click on agree and continue again. So it will start to download again. And once you have done, you just have to select your microphone from here. So let's say I want to select the first one, and then click on continue again. Now here you just have to click on start guide if you want to get the very first guide or a user beginner guide, or you can also click on done. Now your voice access is ready. So whenever you want to use voice access, we just have to say voice access wake up. So it will wake up, or you can also click on this microphone option. Now your voice access is ready to use. You just have to say the command here, and you can easily control your PC using your voice. So in this way, you can easily set up voice access on your computer in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.